Safety is always the number one priority in construction projects, especially for our teams, our construction management teams, because we always believe every day everybody needs to go home the way they came in, and it's critically important those things are followed. The biggest thing will be a new tower crane coming up in front of the building. That tower crane itself is quite high, so it'll be 30, 40 feet above the highest building sitting right here in front of the hospital.
We are working on mass excavation at the moment. We have over 100,000 cubic yards of dirt to haul off the site. Concurrently with that, installation of the supportive excavation walls is ongoing and is installed in 5-foot lifts. So we excavate 5 feet of dirt off-site across the building pad, and then we start by drilling soil nail holes in the vertical face of the excavation, which are then filled with grout and rebar. Once that cures, they'll move on to the face of the excavation. They'll install epoxy-coated mesh onto the face and shotcrete that in place. They'll then install a plate and nut on the end of the soil nails, which will tie the shotcrete face together with the soil nail and act as the earth restraint system.
You're going to see when you get here the traffic patterns have changed. There's flaggers, there's a whole bunch of trucks coming in and out. So the hustle and bustle in front of the hospital is more than it has been in the past. The valet is completely open. The drop-off is still here just like it was today. It's just in a slightly different location. So as you come up Academy Ave, be careful because that entrance has changed and moved. Give yourself a little bit of extra time so you're not late for your appointments, so appointments don't get missed.